Psychology is the scientific study of the human mind and behavior. It explores thoughts, emotions, motivations, and actions, seeking to understand how individuals perceive and interact with the world. Psychologists use research, observation, and analysis to gain insights into various aspects of human cognition and behavior, aiming to improve mental well-being, relationships, and overall understanding of human nature. In the next few minutes, we will look at 5 psychological effects that we might be using in our everyday life that we may be unaware we use. Limerence is an intense emotional state often experienced during infatuation. It involves obsessive thoughts, emotional dependency, and physical symptoms like increased heart rate. People in limerence idealize their crush, finding it challenging to focus on anything else. It's a powerful psychological phenomenon that can significantly impact individuals' behaviors and perceptions of their romantic interests. The social learning effect, derived from Bandura's social learning theory, elucidates how individuals acquire new behaviors, attributes, and emotional responses by observing others. This process involves modeling observed behavior and assessing the consequences of those actions, ultimately influencing one's decision-making and behaviors. It highlights the powerful impact of social interactions on shaping human cognition and behavior. For example, the social media trend the Ice Bucket Challenge. The challenge was started by Pat Quinn and Pete Frates to raise money for charity. You would participate, and then nominate someone else to take part. It ended with over $115 million raised for the ALS Association, and many other charities benefiting from the social media challenge. It's estimated about 17 million people took part. The social loafing effect refers to the tendency of individuals to exert less effort when working in a group compared to when they work alone. This phenomenon is attributed to a diffusion of responsibility and reduced accountability within the group setting. The presence of others can lead to decreased motivation and a perception that individual contributions are less crucial, ultimately impacting overall group performance. For example, in group sports, social loafing can be observed when some team members exert less effort on the field, assuming their contributions will be overshadowed by others. For instance, in football, certain players may not fully commit to defending or attacking, relying on their teammates to cover for them. This behavior hampers team performance and cohesion. The bystander effect is a social psychological phenomenon where individuals are less likely to help in an emergency when others are present. As the number of bystanders increases, the likelihood of intervention decreases. This diffusion of responsibility often occurs due to the assumption that someone else will take action, leading to potential delays in providing assistance. For example, in a road traffic accident on a busy road, the bystander effect is like having onlookers, making people less likely to help. Each driver thinks someone else will assist, leading to hesitation and delayed assistance. The placebo effect is a fascinating phenomenon where a person experiences improvement in their condition after receiving treatment with no active ingredients. Belief in the treatment's effectiveness triggers the brain's natural healing mechanisms, leading to factual physiological changes, despite the absence of any therapeutic substance. For example, studies of new medications given to one group and another given a placebo. The effects can be outstanding, with patients who were given the placebo showing signs of physical improvement.